This is recording 3 where Jack demonstrates and explains what he did. Alright.
Come here, Pierce. Watch.
Alright.
Okay,
Alright.
first thing, I'm gonna play through it and show you what I made.
Okay.
This part, yeah, that's the part I can't do. That's the only part right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so you saw that spike that kept rotating, didn't you? And also, this moved a bit.
Go to the beginning and show us each thing.
Okay. So, first off, these will kill you. There are different types of spikes. Like this one is a slightly small, is like a smaller spike. This one is like a short, just a short spike or something.
Okay.
And this is a tiny spike.
And the difference between those and where's the ramp? What are each of these things along the bottom? You've got block.
All these things will kill you.
Well, all these. What are these?
I'm not sure what this does, but I know that these are ramps.
Ramps?
So, like,
Okay.
for example, look.
The one with just
Okay.
the white lines and no bottom
Okay.
side.
That's what they do.
The one with the no bottom side are invisible.
Oh, neat. Yeah, it bounces, just throws you up too high. Okay. Go back into the build and show us.
Yeah, so
Alright.
so these are different types of spinners. They're basically like the saws.
And how do you get, you go into, you click build?
You click build, then this,
Okay, then the saws.
then the saws and the gears and
Okay.
the days and all the things that will kill you. They're like
Okay. Neat.
that, like might be like this
Okay.
or something.
What's, okay.
This looks like a Beyblade, kind of.
Yeah. Alright, so then next to that you've got the thing, the little circle that you can jump off of. That looks like my table saw.
Yeah, that's that's
Yeah,
funny.
I put
Yeah.
it like that. Yeah, I put it like that.
Okay.
I did one
I
like
hope for
that.
those tiny spikes.
I made it like
Yeah.
a table saw in one of my levels.
Okay. Now the
Nice.
yellow thing.
There's also another version of
Okay.
that, but it's smaller.
Yeah.
This.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just move it there. Let's see if I
Okay.
can do that perfect. Here. So these are the things that you see so
Whoa.
far.
You can actually make that, I think. Yeah, okay.
Now,
Ah.
what I'm going to show you next
Okay.
is how. Why are they spinning backwards?
That's weird.
Next, I'm going to tell you that if you jump on this dash arm and then when you click on it, then it will propel you forward.
Okay. Go to the
And
tab so I
this-
can see the varieties.
This, and also, this will launch you upwards.
Go to, yeah, there you go. Thank you.
I'm not sure what these two do,
Okay.
and this one. I know.
One-
all I
That
know.
little one spawns.
Okay, so look.
Mhm.
This this little blue one inverts gravity. So if you hit it, instead of going back, launching you up and then going back down, you just go up
Okay.
until you hit another of these or something that inverts gravity.
Oh.
This thing does the same, but it what it does is like teleports you like to the other side. So like if you're here, it'll teleport you up there.
Okay.
And this is just the regular one, nothing special.
Mm-hmm.
This one will propel you downwards, I'm pretty sure. This one.
Okay.
This is a dash orb that
Oh.
if you hold it, you'll just keep going and going.
Okay. So then how did you...
And yeah, so what?
Okay, go ahead.
How did I do what?
Those, alright, the next thing is those circles that they're like that thing there.
Yeah, that
What is
portal?
that? A portal, yeah.
Yeah, that's a portal. It's not a transforming portal though. If you click there, this one will make gravity normal. This one will make gravity go up. So if you go in there, then you'll be on the ceiling. If you go in there, you'll be back on the ground.
Okay. And then the purple one changed you into like an alien.
It's a rocket ship. And so
Okay.
that means like if you hold it, you'll go up.
Okay.
But if you don't hold it, you'll go down.
Okay. And then what does the green one do?
It transforms you back into a block.
Okay.
I didn't use all the portals.
Yeah,
I
it's
just
okay.
used 3 of them.
Okay.
But this one turns you into UFO, which makes you able to like jump, double jump, or jump
Okay.
infinity. Like
Okay.
if you just keep clicking.
Alright. Now we'll watch it and see what happens. Ah!
That is possible if it's not used.
Yeah. Okay, I see it. Reverse gravity.
Yeah, reverse.
Ah, I see.
So,
Okay, yeah.
I just clicked and it went up. This is actually a bit harder than it looks. So like, I also installed those ones so you can just click back from Onaso. Yeah, so basically these blocks have no collision with you, so you can
Okay.
just go right through them.
Okay.
But if I was clicking, I would just keep going up and up and up.
Yeah, okay. So you have the option.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these will turn you back into a block as
Yeah.
intended.
Is that a block on top of a block, or is that something special?
That's something that I made.
Oh, okay.
I used 2 of these and
Yeah.
then just rotated them somehow
Okay.
until it created something.
Okay. And then, how do you? Let's see.
What does that purple one do?
What?
I
What's-
don't remember
What's
what
the purple
pur-
one do? He
Oh,
said.
yeah, I
purple
forgot.
one do.
I used 4. Anyways, this one turns you into spider, which makes
Oh right.
you go up onto this wall, or you can go back down. I'll show
Okay.
you what I mean if
Yeah.
I can get to that. Yeah, too early. Oops. Yeah, I set up a rotate trigger. I forgot that, so that it rotates it and does like 360. Then I just blew up.
Running through the table saw. Don't go into the table saw.
Oh, and I wonder if I can. I have an idea that might work. I wonder if I can edit this.
All right. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm trying to get it to see if I can. I'm trying to see if I can make it spin faster or reverse, and I don't think I can.
Okay.
What about this one? I don't know what those mean.
Mm.
Anyways, I don't think you can edit the thing.
Okay.
Well, you can certainly edit
Yeah, the colors. Yeah.
Like you could make it red
Uh huh.
or a dark red.
Okay.
Do it.
What's
do
the,
it.
I'll do this dark red color.
No, do
Too
it.
Okay, I'll
What's
do
that
later.
green circle do? That's right.
It lets you rotate it.
Okay.
So, like, for example, that's not to do that. So, like,
What?
for example.
Oh, okay, I see. It doesn't matter for the saws because they're already rotating.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'll show you the triggers at the end. And so, I'm going to show you next
Mm-hmm.
is, I'll show you that, I've shown you that.
I just like
In a minute. Let him finish.
So, after all this, you saw the spider, right?
Yeah, I saw the spider.
Yeah, so, basically, now I'm going to show you the rotation.
Okay.
So, I just figured this out right now.
Okay.
Or when I was thinking. This is how many 360s it does. I set it to 20.
Okay.
And this is how many degrees it goes. This is like 7 degrees is like forwards a tiny bit. This is like a full 360.
I don't understand.
So this will do an extra 360.
Mm-hmm.
This is like the amount it spins.
Okay.
And this is like another amount, but like it's 360s. So if you set it to minus, it'll go 360 this way.
Okay.
If you set it all the way like this,
Mhm.
not minus, it'll go this way.
Okay.
360. Same with this, but it's just plain 360s, not degrees.
Okay.
So this is like not a 360, but part of it kind of. You get the idea, don't
So
you?
is the second one the speed?
No, this one is just. This is the move time. It's basically the
Okay,
speed.
that's the speed.
This is like how many 360s it does. So it does
Okay.
20 360s.
Oh, and then it
Plus and
stops.
yeah.
Okay.
And it also do this as well.
Okay.
You can set it to 21.
Mm-hmm.
Do
How does it
61.
start? So it starts when you're getting near it. Is there a setting that makes
Yeah,
it do
so-
that?
like if you go past this line that it makes,
Mhm.
then it will trigger.
Okay. Can you move that around? To,
Yeah, you can move it with the WASD keys
Oh, okay.
or these
Okay.
down there. Same with the same thing applies with the move trigger.
Okay.
Right here,
Mm-hmm.
I made it so when you get right here, this block moves right up.
Okay, show me that.
So look. All you have to do is add the group ID, just like that other one over there.
All right.
This has a group ID of 22,
Hold on a
but
minute.
this one doesn't. Because I don't want it to move.
What does the group ID mean?
It means that that's the thing that's going to move. Also,
Okay.
you need it for the
Oh,
move
okay.
trigger, too. I don't know why you just do.
So how do you select rotate versus move?
Move moves the thing. Rotate rotates it around.
Where do you select that?
Well, there's a slight difference between it. This is like left and right. So if you set it to 10, it will move like one. If you set it to can I just set it to 10? It'll move like one block space this way.
Okay. And then,
But if you move it like minus
And then
20,
that's
like
up
I
and
did-
down.
Yeah, that's up and down.
so it just moves in one direction. It doesn't go back. It'll just move.
Well, this is down,
Yeah.
and this is
But it won't
Yeah.
return. It'll just go there and then stop. Yeah?
unless you set up another move trigger.
Okay, got it. So,
And also, I set the move time to just do instant.
okay. So now,
And also, I set the target group ID to 2. Same thing with the rotation. I forgot about that too. So,
Okay.
yeah.
so how do you set rotation? This says set up move. How do you do it? Make it rotate instead of just moving along an X and Y axis? How do you select that?
Well, that's
Like
the.
back?
I only know how to like move it this way, this way, this way, and this way, or this way, this way, this way, or this way.
But how did you set up this command?
Oh, yeah, it's the same thing.
Rotate.
basically.
How did you set that up in the first place?
So you need to set this to 1, or this to 1, or the number the thing that you want to move has. Like, if this has a 1, then it's gonna move that. But this
Hold
will
on.
also move other things that have a 1.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. So
All right.
it's complicated.
We're
Mom.
going to start. I'm
It's
going to
hard to
start.
explain.
Jack,
Yeah.
I'm not fully understanding, so I'm going to have you. All right,
Do
edit.
it again.
Yeah, we're going to. Here, look. We're going to place one of these.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Now start over and show me how you're going to make a different rotation. So like a group 3 or something.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Group the, then press add, and then
Group.
I'll show it.
Okay,
there.
so you make it a new group, add, and then do you edit object? Is that what you do next?
Then you place a. Then what you do next is place a rotate trigger. When you want it to rotate.
That's what I was after. Okay.
Then add group ID. And then
Hold on.
Do
Go
the
back.
move.
Go back. All right, so this is in the same group as this. Is
Yeah.
that why they work together?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
part of why. You
All right.
You also will need to do the target group ID to whatever number is there too. And
The
center group ID because I don't know what that
Okay,
means.
so
I just
target
did it
group-
for no re-
Okay, so that's target group is what it's making
Yeah.
rotate. Okay.
Yeah, and also the move time is like how.
And then you set the degrees on all that
Yeah,
stuff
and
that we talked about
so
before.
like this will move it like.
Okay. So then let me do something here. All right. So if we did that, and then I'm going to set, let's set a block here. Oop.
There's a
Okay.
delete button on the bottom.
Thank you. There we go.
So
Alright,
go
build.
into edit if you want to edit stuff.
Edit. No, I want to place a block. I'm going to set that and place it here. All right. And then edit. No. Build. How do I get into the rotate commands and stuff?
Click on that.
The COL here?
Yeah, and also
Okay.
wait. You also need to set that.
Mm-hmm.
You also need to
Edit
Go to-
group.
add.
Make it a group 4. Okay,
yeah, or
add.
any group that you want.
Okay. Then I'll set a move command,
No. Yeah,
and I can set that here.
but that'll mean if once you get there, it'll move.
Okay, add it to group 4. Then edit object, and I'm gonna say it's gonna go up.
That means it's probably gonna go out of sight.
Okay, oh, that's number of blocks. Okay.
Yeah, so 7. I mean, like 7 is like 10 is 1 block.
Okay.
forward.
And then
So,
the target group is 4
Yeah.
because that's what the square is. Okay.
Yeah, so 7 is gonna move it not fully 1 space, but like 10 is gonna move it 1 space upwards.
Okay. So then do I say touch trigger?
I don't think you need to do those at all.
Okay.
It's just the basics.
So I'm gonna delete this one. And
Okay.
let's see. Oops.
No.
Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Okay, let's here. All right, edit group, add, edit object, and make it 4.
And don't forget to. So like, you have to move it.
Okay, well, and we'll say 7 blocks. Okay.
So it won't move full space. So it'll move like almost up to there.
Oh, okay. Let me edit that then and make it like. Is that-
70 will. Yeah, that's gonna be like 2 spaces.
Okay.
0.3.
All right. So here, let's save 'em. Can you play it and see? Let's see what happens.
Let's see if that works. Well, let's see if I can even get there. It's fun.
It's a good level. It's challenging. It would make me very angry.
Then
So I can speed it up if I wanted.
Yeah. So
Okay. Are those all your tips?
yeah, that's all. That's basically all you need
What
to
does the
know
stop?
to actually make a good
What
level.
does
Okay.
the stop?
Or make a level.
don't
What
know.
does the stop?
Oh,
do?
I guess you could set a trigger to make it stop too. I'm not
Hold
sure.
on, hold on.
Well, I don't know what any of that other stuff
Yeah,
means.
you can try
It's
them
just-
out. I guess you set them the same way.
Well,
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
level player.
Oh, there's lots of things to.
Yeah, there's
Wow. Okay.
like on def it does something or end. That's
Okay.
the end of the
Yeah.
level.
Okay.
You have
Or
to
like
click on
hide
it,
the
I guess.
player.
Mhm.
So like it'll hide
Ah!
it right here if you want.
Okay.
So like look, what that does is you probably wouldn't use this much at all in levels.
Mhm.
It like
Hide and show. That's cool. It'll just freak people out.
yeah, so anyway, I'll show you that. If I can get there again. Also, the hide and show ones don't require any searching.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't think so. Yeah, so you can't see him for as long as you want. I also jumped over that thing that you wanted to do before.
Yeah.
I bet that's possible, just
Yeah.
very, very hard.
Okay, cool.
Can I make?
Okay, you can make a little bit. Let Pierce all right. Let me stop my recording.